Hello everybody, I'm Chiara from Spezzeria Palazzo Vecchio and today I'm going to talk about alteration of blood circulation. Problems of poor circulation affect the majority of population and are often associated with age and an incorrect lifestyle. The circulatory system is composed of countless blood vessels, through which blood must circulate throughout the body to bring oxygen and nutrients to cells and remove waste substances and carbon dioxide from tissues. These vessels are divided into veins and arteries. Veins carry oxygen-free blood from tissues to the heart, while arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to tissues. There are several factors that cause poor circulation, for instance, muscle contraction due to incorrect posture, compression of nerves, exposure to low temperatures, inflammation, smoking and alcohol, sedentary lifestyle, but also previous diseases such as atherosclerosis, obesity, and diabetes. In these cases, blood flows with greater difficulty, especially from the distal areas of body to the heart, because it is not helped by gravity. Consequently, it tends to stagnate, especially in the lower limbs, causing heaviness in legs, but also tingling and cold hands and feet. If underestimated, poor circulation can lead to far more serious complications, such as, for instance, varicose veins. The World Health Organization defines varicose veins, or varices, as large dilations of veins, especially of the lower limbs. The specific causes of varicose veins are unknown, but the main problem is probably the weakness of the superficial vein walls, which contain less collagen. This weakness can be inherited and over time causes the veins to lose elasticity. The veins stretch, increasing in length and width. To accommodate the space they occupied when they were normal, the elongated veins twist. People with varicose veins can also develop chronic venous insufficiency. It happens when there is venous dilation and or damage to the valves that help blood flow to the heart. If blood flow to the heart is reduced, local pressure increases, and this causes an accumulation of fluid in the lower limbs and other symptoms like cramps, veins inflammation, edema, and ulcers. Now, let's talk about a disorder that is really very common, hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids are pads of richly vascularized tissue firmly anchored to the wall of the anal canal. If blood circulation is not good, blood accumulates in hemorrhoids, dilating them and causing them to slide downwards. This phenomenon favors, on the one hand, the lesion of the vessel walls and on the other hand, tends to exhaust the tissues of the anorectal region, which are forced to support a greater weight given by the accumulated blood. As a result, the hemorrhoidal veins tend to protrude outward from the anal sphincter, then to prolapse, dragging the mucous membrane that covers them with it. Well, poor circulation can lead to very serious complications. First of all, thrombosis. In fact, if blood does not flow well, a blood clot or thrombus can form, blocking the vessel. The thrombus prevents the arrival of oxygen and nutrients to certain organs and tissues, causing cell death. If the organ involved is the brain, we speak of a stroke. If it is the heart, we speak of a heart attack. Let's talk about the remedies. Well, adopting a healthy lifestyle and exercising is the first step to stimulate circulation, especially in the lower limbs. In severe cases, it is necessary to take drugs that thin the blood so that it flows more easily. Thanks to herbal medicine, it is possible to act both on blood flow and on maintaining the elasticity of the structure of the blood vessels. The first remedy, natural remedy I would like to talk to you about is RUSCUS. Thanks to the action of its active ingredients called Ruscogenines, already used as a hypotensive diuretic, it is a sure astringent anti-edema action. Particularly evident on varicose veins and hemorrhoids, as it promotes the narrowing of the venules without interfering with the functionality of the arteries. A similar action is shown in CYPRESS and HAMAMELIS thanks to tannins. Now I would like to talk about Centella. Centella promotes the repair of vascular lesions thanks to its healing action, by which it stimulates the synthesis of collagen in the venous wall. Today, its anti-cellulite action is widely recognized. Another natural remedy is the horse chestnut. Thanks to the Escine or Escine, it promotes the drainage of liquids acting on cellulite. Moreover, a study conducted on 80 patients suffering from hemorrhoids has shown that the intake of horse chestnut seed extract 3 times a day for a period of 2 months is able to decrease the bleeding and swelling caused by this disorder. Let's talk now about red wine. Red wine is very important because it has a tonic and vasoprotective action. This feature is also reported by the World Health Organization monographs, which report how the red wine improves microcirculation in patients suffering from chronic venous insufficiency of grade 1 or 2. Together with cranberry, it is also able to protect the capillaries also at the ocular level, protecting the side and, of course, the eyes. We have included these active ingredients in 3 different supplements. The first one is called Rutine, with the RUSCUS, Centella, CYPRESS, and HAMAMELIS, or witch hazel, which acts not only on the blood circulation but also on the lymphatic system. In fact, it is excellent because those associated with swollen legs have the problem of fluid retention. The second one is Venodren. Venodren is a supplement with RUSCUS as well, horse chestnut and red wine, which favor the functionality of the microcirculation. There are also Rutine and dog rose, or in Italian rosa canina, that improve the trophies and capillary elasticity. The last one is Videosol. Videosol is great for those suffering from chilblains or cold extremities, or if the damaged capillaries are the ocular ones. So it protects the eyesight thanks to blueberry and rosehip. To understand when and how to take these products, always remember to consult a doctor to whom you can illustrate these products by downloading the information sheets found in the links here on the left. That's all for today. Thanks for being with us. A greeting from Spezzeria Palazzo Vecchio.